Hello, Jen and Jennifer. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Jennifer. In this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 simple tips you can easily follow to start being Lions Roofing, because if you type in Roofing Phoenix, these guys show up right at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. And I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. There's just lots of roofers I found out there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing that's stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. And most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. But some people call me back and say, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, whoever did your website did a great job. They're obviously a professional designer. This is a really clean looking website. I love the color scheme with the red and the white and the black. You've got this nice photo that's obviously taken in Phoenix, as this is a Phoenix looking home. I'm from California, so I know the difference in homes. Now I live in Texas. There's homes that look differently everywhere. So all I have to say, great job. It's a very personalized website. I love all the trust building badges. It's awesome. Now, what Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff you can read and highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. You're at 1,196. So great job. You're almost there. By getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only are you going to blow these guys out of the water, because I think they only have like 1,000 or 999. Yeah, $9.99. So you're going to blow them out of the water by getting in 1,500 words, but you're also going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a couple for you right now. And you typically have to pay for this tool, but don't even worry about it. Just like pause this video so you don't have to pay for your own service, and you can just copy these ones. It says you have Phoenix Roofing, 800 people search for this every month. Roofing Companies Phoenix, 700 people search for that every month. Roofing Phoenix, 450 people search for that every month. So just for those 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in from 1,950 people every month who want to purchase roofing in Phoenix. Imagine how crazy that would be, how much that would change your business, right? So you want to make sure you have these keywords inside of your content. And if I search like Roofing Phoenix, it shows up 0 times on your homepage. Phoenix Roofing, it shows up once. Nice. Good job. So I would put it in a couple more times. You got it once in your heading here. That's awesome. And you could fit that. You want to have whatever's in your H1 also be in your title. That's called your H1, your first heading. So Phoenix Roofing, you should also have Phoenix Roofing up here in your title. And then you can also fit it inside of your content as well. Down here. One other quick tip that a lot of people miss is that your images can also be saved as keywords. So Phoenix Roofing Companies Phoenix, Roofers Phoenix, stuff like that. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to have a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, just because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You also don't need to pay for this. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can see this information for free. And it says you have 242 websites linking to you, while Lions Roofing has 522 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them because they've done all the hard work for you. If these 522 backlinks are good enough to rank Lions, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to myself the same way they did. A lot of times it's really easy, like Angie, Expertise, Yellow Pages. All these websites are really simple. You click join our network, get listed, sign up, create a free profile, and then put a link in your profile back to your website, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really simple to do, but it just takes some time. However, if you copy them in backlinks and you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here. My last tip, though, is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Phoenix Roofers was in. I put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If Phoenix Roofers was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Jen and Jennifer. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. Feel free to pause the video. I'll even scroll down and give you some more. These are all great buyer intent keywords that people are searching right now in Phoenix. So put these in your content. Then take the website's link in Alliance Roofing and get them linking back to yourself, and put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Phoenix Roofers. And by following these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. This is what most of your competitors are doing. If you go this route, the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. Thanks, Jen and Jennifer. I'll see you later.